Hi people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh Esperanto. Right now I'm gonna explain about how to promote this is very awesome now in talk about mie Laweung or noodle Laweung. Okay, mean that this is created by noodle using the shark or fish here. This is very awesome nowadays. I was the people not only from I couldn't say from Europe or not because those people didn't know about this about this occasion. Alright? Not only from people from Aceh but also from West Sumatra or Doktoro or North Aceh, South Aceh. Every single day, just holiday or weekend, people visit here just only the Indian people, but eat this noodle. This noodle now is very totally famous nowadays. Not only here but also in television like benua every single time to promote this noodle. Can you imagine that? I myself, as this guy, I'm going to promote this by Britain, Europe, United States, United Kingdom, Switzerland, every worldwide Asia. But it's very famous. Can you see that? This is mixed by fish, called tuna fish, baby tuna we call that, and then here we have chili. But be careful if you have stomach, something wrong with your stomach. Be careful, it's very dangerous for you. But if you love it, it's spicy, you can eat with all that. If you're spicy, but I don't like spicy, but I have to throw the video away. This chili, all right. This location in Laweung, there's only 135, 100 kilometers from Aceh exactly. There's only spent 135 hours. It's very solid, just so long. There's only 2 hours. I mean, with motorbike you can use 1 hour. You can visit from Raya. You will find Lambre and then Lampana and then Lamteba. This is very awesome nowadays. All right. I'm Salvador Dani. I'm as tourist guy, and then I'm going to focus from the 5 content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I do love visiting a Kuliner, every whole lot nowadays, focus this, focus this 5 content. Alright, my channel that.